sumali na. Ngayon, ulit. So, tingnan natin sino mananalo ngayon. Pero bago yan, gusto ko na, wala pa rin yun ng mga streamer. Wala ba mas malakas? Very good. Ayan. Ngayon, meron tayong 2 sets of contestants. Ang first set is kids ages 4 to 12 years old. Then ang ating second set is teens and adults. And ang 14 years old and above. So, meron tayong 3 categories. Kids and tweens, pirates and freebies, and monsters. So, ang ating criteria for judging. Visual impact is 30%, creativity 30%, adherence to theme 20%, stage presence 20%, a total of 100%. Kaya nandito ang ating mga judges, so gusto sila. Our judge number 1 is the beauty influencer and owner of Creations by Lord Ramsey. So let's all welcome Miss Mau. Let's see. Our second judge is professional makeup artist. Let us all welcome Mr. Raymond Desais. Our third judge is a cosplay celebrity. Let us all welcome Miss Vanessa Amelie. Ayan ang mga judges. So, sipas-sipas na natin. Game na kayo? Game na ba? Game na. So, siyempre, simulan natin sa ating first set, which is mga kids. So, let us go on. First, from the kids and tweens category, the kids. Ayan. So, our first batch is candidate number 1-5. So, let's go on, the kids. And our first batch, this is the kids and tweens category. And number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the kids. So, let's go with number Lisa. Go to the front and smile and wave. Okay? Number 8, yan. Wow! Talaga naman, Halloween na. Ayan, turn around para makita nila yung ano mo, walis. Ayan, very good. Ayan. Thank you, candidate number 8. Ayan. Lilipad ka na? Happy relax. Okay, candidate number 9. Ayan, dapat tagalan mo sa unahan. Tagalan niyo sa unahan para makita nilang lahat. Mabilis niya. Thank you, candidate number 9. Now, contestant number 10. Ayan, tagalan niyo kids sa gitna. Kailangan